Hello everyone, welcome to iApple Pro YouTube channel. Today in this video I share you how to double back tap iPhone to lock screen. Quick lock iPhone without press side button. High sensitivity. And triple back tap to restart iPhone. Can choose restart or cancel. Can be used with case. Whiteout, press side button. Let's do it together. Prepare to set up. Open Shortcuts app. Add action. Search for apps and action. Find lock screen. Custom shortcut. Choose color and icon. Add to home screen. Rename shortcut to lock screen. Add shortcut and exit to home screen. Shortcut lock screen has been appeared on home screen. You can press to quick lock iPhone on home screen. Now, set up double back tap to quick lock iPhone. Open settings and go to accessibility. Choose touch, then back tap. Choose double tap and scroll down to shortcuts. Check lock screen shortcut in this list. Now exit and try double back tap to quick lock iPhone. iPhone locked by double back tap. Now, set up triple back tap to quick restart iPhone. Add action and find shutdown shortcut. Tap and choose restart. Edit shortcut style you want. Add shortcut to home screen. Rename to restart. Add shortcut and exit to home screen. You can press shortcut to quick restart iPhone. Now, set up triple back tap to quick restart iPhone. Choose triple back tap and scroll down to shortcuts list. Choose shutdown shortcut in this list. Exit to home screen and try triple back tap to quick restart iPhone. Restart pop-up appeared on iPhone. Choose restart or cancel. Double back tap to quick lock screen. Triple back tap to quick restart iPhone. These shortcuts support iOS 16.4 and up. Combined with back tap feature, we can quick locking and quick restart iPhone. Like, share, and subscribe to support channel. See you in next video coming soon.